Okay, so welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you a basic understanding of SQL injection. SQL is short for Structured Query Language, and it's a language used for database management. In short, SQL tells databases what to do. So before we start, you should know what SQL injection and databases are. SQL injection is one of the most common web hacking techniques used for accessing the database of the website. An attacker can get all the details from the database by accessing data, bypassing logins, or shut down the SQL server. Now let's understand what is a database. Databases are basically a structure of tables where each table contains user IDs, passwords, web page details, and more. So I will switch to my computer and show you how a database looks like by going to 127.0.0.1/php myadmin. I forgot to mention that XAMPP also comes with php myadmin, which is a database management tool. And on the left you can see some databases. For example, I'm going to select NoASP database. But please remember, I'm not hacking anything in this tutorial. This is just to give you a basic understanding to see how database works behind the scene. As you can see here, you have all the tables. To select a table, just click the one you want to retrieve information. In my case, I'm going to select accounts. And you can see the username and the password for all the accounts on the database. You can edit, change the rights, or delete a specific account. Now let's learn some basic queries for SQL. So go ahead and click SQL up here. And let's retrieve data from the table using select statement. So type select asterisk from, which means everything from the table, and the table name. And the way you end a SQL query is by putting a semicolon. And let's go ahead and execute the query by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. And you can see all the data from the table. Let's say you want to check who is admin from accounts. For that you need to type select username, is admin from accounts. And the usernames with true have admin rights. Another important SQL query is where statement. For example, imagine if you want to get all users who have the same password. You can use the where statement by typing select username, password from accounts, where password equal password. And if you execute the query, you will see the usernames with the same password. But for that you need to know the password. Now let's say you have an account with username John and password is password. So when you try to log into a website, the SQL syntax will be like this. Select username, password from table name, where username equal John and password equal password. If the username and password are correct, then you will successfully log in. Okay, so now I believe that you have a basic understanding of SQL databases. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.